I've got my Z55 Predator / Reaper 4-channel brushless military UAV. It started its life as a 3-channel with 2 brushed pusher motors before I converted it. And I'm really liking this airframe. I've got to remember to put some carbon reinforcement in the nose. I had completely forgotten to do that before I brought it out again. Too many balls up in the air. But let's take it out here and get a flight on it. I've got my timer set for 6 minutes. I got one of the little 2S fully max 600 milliamp hour lipos. I think they're only 25C, but it provides pretty good power. All right, launching. All right, we're in gyro mode. I think this is just a cool little airframe. It's pretty darn maneuverable. Isn't that pretty maneuverable? Pretty aerobatic for you know, the type of airframe that it is. I don't think it was designed for this, but we don't care. What do you guys think of that compared to the 3-channel version? Isn't that cool? Wow, that sun is coming out now. I think that is just a cool airframe. Alright, let's see which way my wind is coming from. That direction, I think. Oh, I forget I don't have a steerable nose wheel on it. I was using the rudder trying to turn it. That's not gonna work. Alright. That is a fun little plane. I'm really glad I took the time to do the conversion and modifications on this, because it is a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun. It's a very speedy. It's got a wide envelope. You can fly it fairly slowly, but it will definitely speed up. And it's got enough power that it's really aerobatic, and you still get a lot of flight time on it. So the power system is fairly efficient, and it's I think it looks cool. It's the only type of airframe like this that I have, and I like to fly everything. So anyway, that was another fun flight on this little Z55 MQ-9 Predator / Reaper. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.